Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to change the song in a CapCut template. It's fast and easy, and if you are stuck with the default music and want to use your own song, this video is for you. First, of course, open your CapCut and go to the template menu. Just click and then choose the template that you want to use. Maybe I want to choose this template, and then tap use template button. Just tap and then choose the photos or clips that you want to use to edit. This tutorial I will choose the photos. I will choose these photos and then tap next. Once your video loads, you'll notice it already has a preset music track, but don't worry, we can change that easily. Just tap the audio tab at the bottom of the screen or tap the original sounds at the top. Both options lead the same features. And from here you can choose a different song from a CapCut music library by tapping on a track. Example, I will choose this. And if it's a long song, you can select the specific part that you want to use by tapping the scissor icons like this, and then select the part that you want. You can also change the music by extracting audio from a video on your phone by tapping extract audio button, and then select a video and then just tap the extract audio button. Or you can also use music from your own device. To do that, tap the add sound and then tap the folder icons and then tap the device. Next, select your song by hit the blue buttons. Once you're happy with your new song, just hit the export and your video with your chosen music is ready to share. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next tutorial. See you!